This is the Singer Model 20 that I repaired the handle on. You see it right there. It came out perfectly. The little wooden area spins fine. And I am making a cover for the machine out of a rag. This machine has the other issue of a slightly bent bed plate, which sometimes throws the adjustment screw out of adjustment that adjusts the feed dogs. So for now, I'm going to keep a screwdriver with the machine, but other than that, it sews very well. And I'll just do a little bit here because I think the fabric will go crooked because I'm holding the camera. Let's see how far we can get on this. So a little bit crooked at the bottom isn't a problem. Now, while I was doing that, this is right on there. I'm less worried about this coming off of there now than I was with the Loctite. And it's now, again, a working Model 20. And like any of the larger machines that need regular maintenance or slight repairs on adjustments, I have to figure out why that screw keeps coming out of adjustment. But definitely the JB Weld works for replacing a handle.